Hello students, let's do some more questions on matrices and determinants. First one is A is a symmetric matrix and B is a skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is given which is A plus B. We have to find AB, that is matrix A into matrix B. Very important question. Now, A is a symmetric matrix. What does this mean? The transpose of A will be equals to A. A is a symmetric matrix and B is a skew symmetric matrix. It means B transpose is minus B. Clear? This is given. Now, what is given? A plus B equals to 2, 3, 5, minus 1. This is matrix A plus B. What we will do? Taking transpose on both sides, A plus B transpose equals to transpose of this matrix. What is transpose of matrix? Interchange of rows and column. Row 1 will become column 1 and row 2 will become column 2. A plus B transpose can be written as A transpose plus B transpose, which is equals to 2, 5, 3, minus 1. What is A transpose? A, in place of A transpose we can write A. And what is B transpose? Minus B. In place of B transpose we have written minus B. So what we have got, A minus B is equals to matrix 2, 5, 3, minus 1. Let's take this matrix A plus B as first and A minus B as second. Now what we will do? Add 1 and 2. Left hand side to the left hand side and right hand side to the right hand side. In the left hand side we will have A minus B, A plus B plus A minus B, which is equals to addition of these two matrices 2, 3, 5, minus 1 plus 2, 5, 3, minus 1. B positive, B negative both get cancelled. We have 2A equals to addition of two matrices of the same order. Corresponding elements will be added. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. And minus 1 and minus 1, minus 2. This is 2 times A. A will be 1 by 2 of 4, 8, 8 minus 2. 1 by 2 will go inside. Matrix A will be 4 by 2, 2, 8 by 2, 4, 4 and minus 1. Take it as 3. Clear? बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Now what we will do? We will put the value of third in first one. In the first one we have A plus B equals to this matrix. How can we find matrix B? If we subtract matrix A from this matrix, we will get matrix B. For getting matrix B, 2, 4, 5, minus 1 minus subtract matrix A, which is 2, 4, 4, minus 1. For subtraction, we will subtract the corresponding element. So matrix B will be 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 4, minus 1, 5 minus 4, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. This is matrix B. Take it as 4. Now what do we need? We need AB. AB means matrix A multiply matrix B. For AB, first write matrix A, which is 2, 4, 4, minus 1 and matrix B is 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and matrix B is 2 by 2. Multiplication is defined. Now, first row with first column 2 into 0 plus 4 into 1. First row second column 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into 0. Second row, first column, 4 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. Again 4 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0. So matrix AB will be 2 into 0, 0 plus 4, 4. Minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Minus 4 plus 0, minus 4. This is the matrix AB, and which is our answer. Let A is a symmetric matrix and B is a skew symmetric matrix such that a matrix is given A minus B. We have to find the value of determinant of 2A. Now, A is a symmetric matrix means A transpose is equals to A. B is a skew symmetric matrix. B transpose is B. Now what is given? A minus B. This is equals to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Transpose on both sides. A minus B transpose equals to transpose of matrix, interchange of rows and columns. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A minus B transpose. A transpose minus B transpose equals to 1, 3, 2, 4. What is A transpose? A minus what is B transpose? Sorry, it is skew symmetric, it is minus B. Minus B equals to 1, 3, 2 and 4. A minus minus B, that is A plus B is 1, 3, 2 and 4. Right, it is second. This one is first. Matrix A minus B. This is matrix A plus B. What we will do? Add 1 and 2. Left hand side to the left hand side and right hand side to the right hand side. We have A minus B plus A plus B equals to A minus B is matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 3, 2 and 4. B and B get cancelled. We will get 2A equals to addition of two matrix. Corresponding elements will be added. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5 and 4 plus 4, 8. Clear? Now what do we need? Determinant of 2A. Determinant of 2A will be 8 into 2 minus 5 into 5. That is 16 minus 25 minus 9 is our answer. Next one is, if 2A minus B is a matrix given of order 2 by 3 and another matrix is given 2B plus A, another matrix of 2 by 3 order, we have to find A. Now, we need A. For that, what we can do? We can eliminate B. Let this is first and this is second. If we multiply the first one with 2 and add both 1 and 2, what will we get? Multiply first one. It is second. Multiply first one with 2 and add 1 and 2. 2 into 2A minus B plus 2B plus A. What will we get? 2 times matrix 6 minus 6 0 minus 4 2 1 plus 3 2 5 minus 2 1 minus 7. 2 into 2 4A minus 2B plus 2B plus A equals to, we will multiply 2 with the whole matrix. 6 into 2 12 minus 12 0. 2 into minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 4 and 2. plus 3, 2, 5, minus 2, 1 and minus 7. Plus 2b minus 2b both get cancelled. What is left with us? 5a equals to addition of matrix. Corresponding elements will be added. 12 plus 3, 15, minus 12 plus 2, minus 10. 0 plus 5, 5. Minus 8 plus minus 2, we will get minus 10. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus minus 7, minus 5. Now, we need A. Matrix A will be equals to 1 upon 5. This 5 will come on the right hand side, 1 by 5. Here we have 15, minus 10, 5, minus 10, 5, minus 5. So, our matrix A will be, we will multiply every element with 1 by 5. 15 into 1 by 5, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1. This is our matrix A. Next one is, if A minus 2B, a matrix is given A minus 2B. Another one is 2A minus 3B. We have to find the matrix B. For B, we have to eliminate A. Now, what we will do? Take it as first and this one as second. We will multiply first one. This is first. Keep it as second. Multiply first with 2 and subtract from second. Multiply first one with 2 and subtract from second. First we will write second one, 2a minus 3b minus 2 times first one, a minus 2b. 2a minus 3b is matrix minus 2, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 2 times first matrix is 1, minus 2, 3 and 0. We will have 2a minus 3b minus 2a. Minus sign outside, the sign inside will change. 4b equals to minus 2, 2, 3, minus 3. We will multiply every element with the of the matrix. Minus 2 into 1, 2, minus 4, 6 and 0. Now 2a minus 2a cancelled. 4b minus 3b. What will we get? B. Matrix B will be subtraction of two matrix. Corresponding elements will be subtracted. Minus 2 minus 2, minus 4. 2 minus minus 4, 6. 3 minus 6, minus 3. Minus 3 minus 0, minus 3. This is our matrix B. Next one is, if A equals to a matrix is given of order 2 by 2 and a matrix B is given such that 4A plus 3X equals to 5B. We have to find the matrix X. 4A plus 3 times matrix X equals to 5B. What is 4A? 4 into matrix A, 2, 0, minus 3 and 1. Plus 3 times matrix X. These two matrices are, we are adding these two matrices. It means their order must be same. Let this be A, B, C, D. Matrix of order 2 by 2 equals to 5 times B. Matrix B is 4 minus 3 minus 6, 2. We have to find the matrix X. Now, 4 into A. 4 2s are 8, 0, minus 12, 4. Plus 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D is equals to 5 will be multiplied with each element. 5 4s are 20, minus 15, minus 30 and 10. Now we need X, 3A, 3B, 3C, equals to, we will take this matrix on the right hand side, 20 minus 15 minus 30, 10 minus 8, 0 minus 12 and 4. We have 3a, 3b, 3c, 3d equals to, subtraction, corresponding elements will be subtracted. 30 minus 20 minus 8, 12 minus 15 minus 30 plus 12 minus 18 and 10 minus 4, 6. What do we want? X. Now 3a equals to 12. 3a equals to 12. A will be 4. 3b equals to minus 15. B will be minus 5. 3c equals to minus 18 and C will be minus 6. And 3d equals to 6 and D is equals to 2. So we need determinant X, which is A, B, C, D. The value of A is 4, B is minus 5, C is minus 6 and D is 2. This is our matrix X. This is our answer. Next one is A and B are two-rowed square matrix. Two-rowed means two rows and two columns. Square matrix such that A plus B matrix is given and A minus B matrix is given. We need matrix AB, A multiply B. Take it as first, A minus B as second. What do we do? Add 1 and 2. Left hand side to the left hand side and right hand side to the right hand side. A plus B plus A minus B equals to 4 minus 3, 1, 6 plus minus 2 minus 1, 5 and 2. Minus B plus B cancelled. 2A equals to, addition of matrices. Corresponding elements will be added. 4 plus minus 2, 2. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. This is 2A. What will be matrix A? 2 on the right hand side, 1 by 2. Inside we have 2 minus 4, 6 and 8. So matrix A will be 1 minus 2, 3 and 4. Now we will put matrix A in. Say first one, A plus B equals to, given 4 minus 3, 1 and 6. For finding B, we will subtract matrix A from A plus B. Minus matrix A is 1 minus 2, 3 and 4. Matrix B will be 4 minus 1, 3, minus 3 minus 2, minus 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2 and 6 minus 4. This is matrix B. Now what we have to find? AB. First write matrix A, which is 1 minus 2, 3 and 4, and matrix B is 3 minus 1 minus 2 and 2. Multiplication is defined. Both are having same order. AB will be first row, first column. 1 into 3, 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2, 4. First row, second column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus minus minus. Second row, first column. 3 3s are 9 plus 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 1. Let's write 9 minus 8. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 8. So matrix AB will be 3 plus 4, 7 minus 5, 1 and 5. This is our matrix AB and our final answer.